Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Crowd that motherfucker complaining, bro. Please, man. Wanna hear that shit.
Quit bitching, nigga.
Damn.
Run it up.
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 Quit complaining, nigga.
Go get it.
Run it up.
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 Go get the money.
Quit crying, nigga.
Hey.
Run it up.
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 Quit bitching, nigga.
Yeah.
Run it up.
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 Yeah, you can't kick it with me if you ain't
To the CenCal show.
You can't smoke out with me, I heard you a buster.
Down.
Right here with my boy Benito. I'm right here, Andres. Up with this voice from the 559.
We was gonna get rich together.
Millions.
I told mama, we gonna be rich forever.
Hey.
I can't fuck with a nigga that
on the
don't
camera,
want
yes,
to
happy
have
birthday.
she get her own money.
You're gonna bring up
It's
the
like
stuff
kind of
about
bitch.
Yeah.
The plug prices was too high, so I crossed him out. He saw me flexing that he looking awful now. Quit bitching, nigga.
Damn.
Run it up.
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 Quit complaining, nigga.
Go get it.
Run it up.
Run it up.
Run it up.
Run it up.
We're gonna go get some gas because I don't know where it's at. 85, because I have none. I'm following the homie Diego right now because I don't know where the nearest one is at. Because right here in Bakersfield or where we're at, we're McFarland, there's not a lot of in the area. The closest one is fucking 17 miles away, and I have 73 miles left till empty, so I have to cruise it there. We're gonna double check and ask the people we can come back in that we're just gonna get gas. So tell us.
Run it up.
Go get the money.
Quit crying, nigga.
Hey.
Run it up.
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 Quit bitching, nigga.
Yeah.
Run it up.
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 Yeah. While you was at the house with the bitch cuddled up,
What?
I was on the block in the trap running it up. I can't chase a bitch, I'm chasing commas, bro. Real niggas see eye to eye, and you not one of us.
I don't know that nigga.
Real niggas, we don't make excuses. They say Flipper hitting too hard, he abusing. When it come to the trap shit, I just do it. $1 million play, watch me.
It still has a 350 power. You can hear it. It's carb, healthy carb. Boy, I know a carb when I hear one. I'm gonna show you.
Bonita.
That shit's fucking sick. Fucking the tire way. Hey, wait, keep it straight.
Execute it. I can't sleep for too long. I might miss some.
Damn.
Trap phone start jumping about 6 some. Bitchin', nigga.
Damn.
Run it up.
Hey.
Run it up.
Run it up.
Run it up.
Run it up.
Quit complaining, nigga.
Go get it.
Run it up.
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 Go get the money.
Quit crying, nigga.
Hey.
Run it up.
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 Quit bitching, nigga.
Yeah.
Run it up.
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 Yeah.
Sit down, Ray. Sit down.
Are you gonna fall off, fool? Nah. Get that fool out the trunk, bro.
Ready?
Nah, you should get that nigga out the trunk, bro. Easy, bro. She about to snake something. You look crazy, bro.
Hey, that's the homie, man. That's my homie.
Oh, she's going crazy.
Quit bitching, nigga. Run it up. 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 Quit complaining, nigga. Run it up. 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 Quit crying, nigga. Run it up. 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 Quit bitching, nigga. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. You can't kick it with me if you ain't a hustler. You can't smoke out with me, I heard you a buster. You lied
mean? Bro, we got like 30 85 stations within 5 minutes of each other, bro. Like, bro, we got a lot over there, bro. That's why it's always so cheap, bro. I'll put like 30, I fill up with 6 hours a week. I fill up twice a week. Yeah, like 60, 80 a week, bro.
A la verga, loco.
It's cheap.
That's it.
Bro, the 85 handles, I mean, I drove all the way.
Whenever I get my exhaust done, so they record content, or is that like the shit? Manito's pissed. He's like, bro, let me see that. Bro,
Put it on.
can you believe that? Vete a la compra. It's different. Mine's like a cylinder wing. Like yours is like off on like a yellow wing. Oh, okay. This is the one for the short wing. No, mine's legit. Oh, yeah, right here, look. You fucking thing. Vale, verga. Bro, you're in the arms of three professionals, right? That's the water Koreans. You never be able to take it off me. Big old pictures on fucking pigs. Big old. Ain't no cap that's never happened.
Alright, so that's the end of the video, the vlog with CenCal with the homies right here that showed us hella hospitality. The homie Andres, the homie Diego, boo. Oh, shit, was parking.
Oh, boy.
Turned it onto the
For
shooter.
sure, for sure.
Oh, you're gonna pop up really trucking?
Oh, hell yeah, we'll go. If the truck's ready, we'll go. No, I'm not gonna go. No, I'm not gonna go.